So we're here guys sa The Jungle Farm. Yan lang kaya ng zoom ng Pocket 3. Lagyan ng bug spray. Kasi baka may mga bugs. Bug spray din Padger. Alright, let's go guys. So sila mama tinutokso ko kasi nag short lang sila. Yeah, full gear guys kasi alam ko baka malamig. Pero it seems like if you guys notice weather parang cloudy, di ba? I think it's smoke. Yan naman. Papadala daw nila yung spray kasi maraming mga mga bugs. Bigyan ko kayo ng information kung anong meron dito. Ito yung mga information guys. Strawberries, cabbage, peas. Ang pinunta na lang naman talaga namin dito is strawberries kasi mahilig si Noah sa strawberries.
Pretty good. Are you guys doing strawberries? How many of these do you guys think you'll be needing?
Probably 2.
2? There you are. And I'm going to point you guys in the right direction.
Show me your basket, B. No pay.
So what I'm going to have you guys all do is I'm going to have you guys go all the way down to the fence line there, okay? And then find an aisle with a flag in the middle of it, okay? Okay, and then when you're finished picking, just pop that flag in the ground where you finish.
Mumay, batay, short, kiri, kurutong ba gini.
The bug's fly!
There's a bug spite, B. So, punta na tayo dun, guys. May washroom dun. So, yung washroom nila is parang kuan. Ang tawag nito? Pit stop. Ano ba yan? Like the portable washroom, so you don't have to worry about that one. Oh shoot, I should have wore the Converse na shoes kasi medyo basa yung grass. So, kasi yung Converse na shoes, 'di ba, yung parang ulo ng sapatos niya is merong parang rubber. Yang ginagamit ko ngayon yung parang pang jogging ko na shoes. So, let's like this. So, nababasa siya. The record, it's our first time mag-strawberry picking. And then si Mama, actually, she already tried this when she was in Philippines, sa Baguio. So, kami as family, first time namin. Kaya gusto din i-try ni Jasmine. So, we were also planning the cherry picking sana, dun sa Kelowna. But the thing is, di naman kami kumakain dun masyado. But strawberry, Noah likes it so much, so that's why ito na lang. Mad-trip. If ever guys, mas maganda talaga magdala kayo ang gagamitin nyo sapatos na na medyo waterproof. So, i-move lang yung flags after namin. So let's start. Let's go. Not the small one.
Baby, mga baby.
Get the toto ka mo, my go. Stand up. Show the camera, B. It's white. Okay, na sweet ra kuno na. What is it? Look! What is that? What is that? Be? Starfish. See? Oh. Starfish. Full na mukha yun. Oh, bye. Say hi. It's getting heavier. You want Daddy to carry it? You want Daddy to carry it, B? Oh, nayabo, B. Oh, no. B, oh. B. B, oh. Ayaw, put it back lang sa basket. Just put it back sa basket, please. Yan guys, mamaw. So it was really a good choice guys nga nagdala mi og bug spray kidagkag lamok. Smile daw magdala jud mo ni. Kaya mo off. Sige na ra ako okay na kayo. So from there kanina guys, ang malaki din tong actually yung swan yung area andun hanggang doon. So see? Hanggang abot dito. Pero parang wala na ata dito. So I believe yung ginagawa nila is kasi meron din sa other side. So I believe probably ina-alternate nila kasi syempre mauubos, 'di ba? And if ever si Jasmine pala, if you guys are curious, I think she follows the Facebook page na The Jungle Farm or something. Tapos they do post there if like for example if it's tomorrow, if they're allowing picking or something like that, they're gonna post it there, any updates or announcements. So in case you are interested, just follow their page and then you can see it there, right? And it's good to support local farms as well, local farmers. And yeah, it's different, the feeling and experience is different. So if ever you haven't tried it yet, you should try it. Yung feeling is parang yung probinsya sa atin sa Philippines, yung amoy, fresh air. Kuha ni mama, kuha nila nawag mami, oh. Wala, nangilat si Bibi, nagkaon na daan.
Klaro, obvious magkagapula-pula na simod. Klaro, kita na.
Pila na bayaran ni mo, Bi? $45. Two full, $45. Let's go. So they do have something like this too. Canned. Then there's the syrup, pickles, scapes. Ta. Pag lumabas ka sa store nila guys, this is what you're gonna see. Shh.
Baby, eh.
Shh. Ngapay. Wala, daki kay kids, B?
Enjoy pa siya. Pa-enjoy sa mga kids.
B, did you have fun? Show them the strawberry, B. We're going home na.
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Pero ting kaon, oy. Wala pa'y hugas, kaon na. Okay ra, B, ang lasa, B. Hindi lang lasa lupa, B. What are you eating? Huh? Wala ka lain, warag dinosaur. Ano yung baka sa strawberry, guys, yung bibig.
Kauntag ng SB.
Did you have fun, Mom?
Corn.
It's corn man ni.
Kaon ka?
Mais ni. Hindi ka kibuano ni.
Nakita ni mo sa Banbi, TikTok. Pita basket. Viral sa TikTok yung viral. Crispy wrap. OG chicken. Let's try the OG chicken. So sa akin, let's say kay Mama, we're eating the crispy beef dinner. Let's see. So far, maraming Pinoy din na nag-work dito actually. But originally, it's from Lebanon. Lebanon na kasi mga wrap and shawarma. So, andito na yung order namin, guys. Binigyan kami ng mga Pinoy na watch out. Binigyan kami ng Pinoy na sweets on the house. Libre nila. Shout out sa inyo. Shout out sa inyo. Thank you, guys. Sundan natin sila Jasmine, guys. Nandun sila sa Dalarama.
Sunod lagi ka.
What are you doing, Shishi? What did you buy? Nanapog ka na chocolate. Ay, nako. Alright, it's time to eat. OG chicken. So, nakahanap kami ng park dito, guys, sa may air dry. Dito na lang muna namin ito titirahin. Let's eat. Okay mo na. Sige.
Yan na oh.
Yan
na imo i-open tay mo nga. Ana ko no.
ay. Lisod kayo ninyo, pakit. So ito kalaki, guys.
Where are the kids?
Kamami OG. Grabe itong mga lamok dito eh. Parang mga boksidor.
Where are the big kids?
Dagko kayo. Tagir-tagiran ng mga lamok.
Nga din is mga bata dito.
Okay.
Kadako. Naobi.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Kaduhan na.
Grabe yung mga lamok dito, guys. Yung mga suicidal. Aray. Dati yung lamok. Mabilis umilag. Dito wala na ilag. Pagkagat wala na. Automatic patay. So we're done. So dapat, guys, if ever, kasi I think they put it individually sa plastic. Don't remove it from the plastic while you eat. Kasi it drips. Nag dito. Na-dirty yung namin. Kasi tinanggal ko, akala ko So that was my mistake. And now we're going to try this one. The sweet thing. Not sure if this is good. Let's see. So parang hindi nagustuhan nila Hermans eh. Be. Yung baklava.
Lain.
Baklava. Parang utap.
Pero mas nami pang utak
Tamis ka talaga. Actually, hindi kaya. Tamis. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. So I hope you guys had fun together with us. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.